Hello, it's me again. Today we will quickly fix an error in Adobe Premiere. Let's start the program. So you just wanted to start a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro and you got the error saying MME Device internal error. We will click yes and make sure what it says. As we can see, both the input and the output channels say not working. The solution is actually easier than you might think. However, the error description did a very bad job at explaining what's the cause. Now write MS Settings, Privacy Microphone inside the box and press Enter, because this also includes symbols. I am showing you how to write it on the screen right now. I am sorry that my system language is not in English, but I own a Windows Single Language Edition on this computer. Now all we need to do is pull this switch to the right. In English it says something like allow applications to access the microphone. If I helped you with this solution, I kindly ask you to give me a like and subscribe as it will help me to continue making such videos on this channel. Thank you very much. Close this window and return to Premiere Pro. Now, you will need to switch the input and output options so the access permission refreshes. You can return it to your original option right afterwards. Now this did the trick. All the audio is now working in Premiere Pro. As you can see, the not working label is now gone. Thank you for watching and see you next time.